Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mervice. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And today I'm bringing you my February BOXYCHARM unboxing video. So this month I'm gonna do the same thing I did last month. As you can see, I already have my makeup on. So I already tried the products. It was the first time though, but I decided to do the makeup before, and then I'm just gonna be showing you the products that I got this month. And I'll have on the side the clip when I was trying the product, which is, you know, just right now. So I hope you guys like this format. For me, I think it's a little bit easier. It's a little bit faster because in case you don't know, I do my videos in English and Spanish. So that way for me, the video ends up a little bit shorter, and then also I save a little bit more time. So I hope you still like this format, but if you don't, just let me know down below. Also, anything that I use on the video that is not from my BOXYCHARM is linked down below in the little description box if you guys want to check it out. Alright guys, you can see I have my products right here, and first of all I'm going to show you the little card with the theme of the month, which is Galaxy Glow. Definitely glow. As you can see, my face is very glowy today. I did try one of the products that we have there, or I think maybe two of the products are very glowy kind of products, so I just went with the flow and I ended up just going all in with this product. And before I show you that one, the first products I'm going to show you are these brushes I got right here, and these are by Crown Brush. By Crown Pro, I'm sorry. This is the trio brush set, and it retails for $29.99. And this one says use this 3 pieces Pro brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeters of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. To be honest, I did not like these brushes very much. They feel like, I mean, they're soft, but at the same time, they're kind of stiff. I don't know if you understand, but it's kind of like too many bristles, so they're not as fluffy as I would like for a contour brush. I did use this one for my powder contour, and you know, you guys are probably going to see that little clip there. It was okay, but definitely not my favorite kind of contour brush. I did use it also to set my concealer before. I used it for my contour powder, and you know, it was okay, a little bit too big for under the eye, of course. Then this one I tried to use it for my highlighter, but I didn't like it. It didn't pick up any highlighter, and I had already applied my concealer. I do not like this kind of brushes under my eyes. They're a little bit too stiff for my eyes, and I'd rather use a sponge, so that's what I went with. This one I'll probably find a use for it, but definitely not my favorite trio of brushes, and I would never pay 30 bucks for them, to be honest. Alright, and the next product I have in my box is this one I have right here, and this is the Seraphim Botanicals Sugar Plus Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. This one retails for $24, and it says there's a blend of soft sugar crystals with a rich, nourishing, soft base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips. To be honest, this to me doesn't feel so much as exfoliating or a buffer. It barely has any kind of like exfoliating particles in it. But you know, I guess it's kind of moisturizing. It's also not a big deal to me. I would never pay 24 bucks for this product as well. So far, you can see how I'm going this month, okay? My next product is a product that I was excited for, but at the same time, I ended up being a little bit, I don't know if disappointed is the word, because it's just the first time I tried it, so I'll definitely give it another try. And it's this one I have right here, and this is the Color FX Shimmer Veil. This one retails for $28, and this is, you know, one of those like wet eyeshadows kind of thing. It says this multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease proof enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. I'll say that it definitely dries and sets really well. I applied it over my eyeshadows, as you're gonna see in the clip, or you're probably looking at right now, and it performed pretty well, to be honest. The only thing is that this one particularly for me, I don't know if all of them are like that, but this is too glittery for me. I just feel like I have glitter on my eyes. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm not crazy about glitter on my face, but I think it looks nice. And I think for like a special occasion, if you're trying to do a different kind of look, it's something that is nice. The color I do like, I think is like a pink with a blue reflex on it. It looks really, really nice, or like kind of purplish, I guess, more than blue. So it looks nice, the color, but again, I just feel like it's too much glitter in it. All right, and the next product is one that I really couldn't say right now if I love it or not, but this is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. This one retails for $21. Woohoo! And this says Jessica's Reshoot Pigmented, I can't talk today, Smoky Eye Pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or a smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. I would say that it's definitely, it feels very creamy, and as you can see, like just one swipe is very dark. So that is good, but I do not know if it is smudges or not. I've had my makeup on only for what, like 20 minutes, so I can't really tell, but I'll update you on that. Alright guys, and my last product is this one I have right here, and this one I was very excited for, and I feel I don't love it right now. I think it's an okay palette. So this is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. This one retails for $39.99, and it sets with 6 stunning holographic shades. This highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. And I think that's kind of what I did with my look today. As you're gonna see in the clips, I used it as highlighter, and I also used that on my lips as well. That's what I have like on top of my lipstick, and I think it looks really nice, to be honest. I've been liking doing this a lot just when I want my makeup to look a little bit different, and I think this helps with your makeup looking more like monochromatic, which I really like, or I don't know why I'm so into. But as you can see, I started with the yellow highlighter, and then I decided to go a little bit with the pinkish one, and then I used a little bit of this blue highlighter as well, and I think it ended up looking really nice. But like I said, I feel like I have one of those like unicorn Instagram kind of looks today. I mean, not saying that it doesn't look good, but it's definitely something that I would not use on a daily basis, or not for everything. It's something for a very special occasion. Alright guys, so as you can see, those were the 5 products I received this month in my BoxyCharm. The value of the box came down to $142 with 98 cents, which of course is always really nice. But at the same time, I don't know if you can tell, this month I really wasn't that excited for the box. If it wasn't because I like to record these videos for you guys, I probably would have canceled this month when I saw the sneak peeks, because I wasn't really that interested. I think the only thing that I was the most excited for was the highlighting palette, but at the same time, I feel like I have so many highlighters, and there's so many like good drugstore highlighters coming out right now that I have just recently purchased that, you know, I felt like, do I really need it? I don't need it at all. But like I said, I wanted to record videos, so that's why I kept doing it. I was a little excited for the Cover FX eyeshadow product, but at the same time, I also don't feel like I love it yet. Of course, like I said, the only bad thing about first impressions is that you might change your mind later. Anyways, just like I was saying, it's almost $150 worth of product, which is always nice. But at the same time, I felt like probably most of these products I won't use very much. And I mean, if I use it all, like the brushes are some brushes that I will definitely not use. I have a lot of brushes that I really love, that are really comfortable for me to use. So this for me is something that I will rarely use. And then the highlighting palette is something that I will definitely pull if I want like something holographic, something different, like a more artistic kind of makeup. The moisturizing product I think is okay. I don't think it's a big deal. I would never pay that much money for it. And then the eye pencil, I always feel like eye pencils are eye pencils. If they don't smudge, I'm fine with it. They don't have to cost $20. For me, it could be 10, it could be 5. If it has to be 30, it's fine. But we'll see if this one is worth the amount of money that it costs. But yeah, overall, I think it was an okay. I hope BoxyCharm does better next month. Either way, I think my makeup came out really nice. Like you saw, I did pull out another palette, which is this Makeup Revolution palette in the color Reloaded Iconic Neutrals 2. Or this is the iconic kind of, I think this is this, yeah, that's the version, sorry, of the palette. Is called Reloaded Iconic, and the color is Neutrals 2. I got this one recently. I only used it like 2 times before this, and I am loving the colors. I think they look really nice. They're very pigmented. They're very powdery as well, but still, you know, if you make sure you take the excess off the brush, you're fine. Like, I had my makeup already before I did my eyes, and I didn't get any kind of eyeshadow under my eyes, but because I always do that, I always make sure that if the eyeshadows are powdery, I just, you know, tap my brush, and that way nothing comes on my face, which it didn't. So once again, I think that BoxyCharm is amazing. If you're interested in BoxyCharm and this is the first video that you're watching, don't judge it for this month. Go ahead and watch the other videos. I do have previous videos, BoxyCharm videos for, I don't know, the last like 9 months or so. So if you're interested, just go and look at the other videos, see which other kind of products that we've received in BoxyCharm, because BoxyCharm is always amazing. It's always really good. It's really good for the value. And if you're trying like to try new makeup and not spend a lot of money, I think is a good way to do it. It's just this month wasn't as amazing. Anyways, guys, I don't want to ramble anymore. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. See you on the next one. Bye!